are back for, you already know, another Saturday park adventure. This time we're in a very small park, so this won't be a long video. I'm in the car recording this because it's kind of loud. This park in particular is located near a venue, so yeah, that is that. And the venue is having an event today. There's actually a racing event going on this Saturday, so I won't be spending so much time recording and talking to you guys outside. We are in Fair Park. It is located, if you need a reference point, behind the Geodis Park. It has 4 fields and 1 dog park. And if you look closely here where all these people are leaving in the gates, that is actually where you go to enter the dog park portion of this park. Directly in front of me is just restrooms, so I don't feel the need to show y'all that, but I can get out and show you the fields, because they're all like right behind this area and off to the side near the entrance. I guess now will be a good time to tell you guys to like this video, hit subscribe on this channel, and the notification bell so you can stay connected to my releases. So that ends this video.
Run, Forrest, run!
Like I always leave you guys, be blessed in every day that God gives you. Your life is full of purpose. Until next time, deuces.